Hey, Alex here. I'm going to give you a quick overview of everything involved in workflows. Now, we have a full walkthrough as well and individual guides so when you click through the pages so you can see it more in depth. But I want to give you a good holistic overview understanding of how this whole thing works. First off, we're on the active page. The active page can hot link to your completed episodes. Also, you can see some past new tasks from you or for the rest of the team. And then you can also see your episode cards or even add a new episode. So I'm going to quickly show you adding a new episode and we'll get into the rest of it here. So we'll go do a new episode of my podcast. Now, notice in the dropdown, we use it for all kinds of things, right? You may just use it for your podcast, and that's fine. So let's just say new episode is the name of it. The release date, let's say it's going to be October 16th. Episode number is 300. And let's say that Roy is going to be my guest on this episode. Now I can hot link to Roy's profile and pull information over and stuff like that. If I click into this, here's all the different things I can do. These are the different tasks I can complete and things like that. Some of them have my initials, some don't. If I only want to see my stuff, I can do this. If I want to hide things I've completed, I can press this button. I can hide just those things. And now I can kind of see all the different things that are involved in this specific episode getting it done. Every time I make a new episode, it creates a new checklist that we've already created on the templates page. So complete, it's pretty obvious. These are just episodes that we're done with. And then the templates is what I was just showing you. Here is my template for a podcast episode. So I can go through and update at any point. So when I hit add new episodes, it'll automatically update to all this information on here, all the tasks involved. That way you can very easily stay on track. And the last thing is your team. You can add people and they can give them different access levels and note that they only get workflows. They don't get access to the rest of your PodMatch account, just specifically workflows. So they would just see a few of these things here. And again, based off of what you give them access to. And that right there is a full overview, very broad overview of what we do with workflows. And I'm excited to have you dive into it a bit more so you'll be able to see some more in-depth guides and even full walkthroughs if you want. So thank you again for being here.